What's up? It's Susie from Hey Girl Hey, and today we are making Southern Style Hush Puppies, famous on most delicious Southern barbecue restaurant menus. You're gonna love these. They're simpler than you think. So let's do it. We're gonna start by preheating our oil because these are deep fried. So I've got a 12-inch cast iron skillet over the heat. We're looking for about 350 degrees. You want a good couple inches of oil, but they don't have to be fully submerged. And now we have to prep our batter. We're starting with some great Southern sweet corn. You want about a cup of corn kernels. You can use frozen corn, you can use canned corn, but I do think fresh corn makes the best hush puppies because as it cooks, the corn cooks also, and you get this beautiful, tender, crisp corn inside of that cornmeal batter, and it almost pops in your mouth. So if you can get your hands on fresh corn, that's what I would recommend. In with the corn, we're gonna add the rest of our dry ingredients. I've got some scallions that are sliced, some all-purpose flour, some yellow cornmeal, some baking soda, some baking powder, and we're seasoning with my beef seasoning. You can grab this in my store. It's kind of become my all-purpose seasoning blend I use for pretty much everything. You can also use a good salt and pepper blend. About 2 teaspoons of the seasoning, and then we're gonna toss to coat. We want the corn and the scallions to be coated in that flour. Having them coated in the flour means that when they fry, that corn will stay suspended in the batter instead of sinking to the bottom. Next up is our wet ingredients. I've got some whole milk, an egg, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar for some tang and some nice bright flavor inside of those hush puppies. Our wet mix goes over our corn and cornmeal mixture, and then we stir. This batter will be pretty thick, almost like a cornbread, and it essentially is a cornbread batter, but instead of baking, we're going to be frying. It's gonna give us a beautiful, fluffy interior and a nice, crispy, crunchy, golden brown outside. That batter looks perfect. We're ready to fry. These usually take about 5 to 7 minutes to fry, and then we'll pull them out onto a wire rack, give them a little sprinkle of salt, and they're ready to go. So easy. All right, our hush puppies are out of the fryer. I just make a nice little pile in my serving dish, and these are ready to enjoy. You can serve these with your favorite dipping sauce. Ranch is delicious. I like to serve mine with a little bit of barbecue sauce. This is my Texas style sauce. It's nice and tangy, a little bit sweet, and these poppable little hush puppies are perfect as an appetizer, a side dish for a beautiful barbecue. You bust these open, you can see that fluffy cornbread batter inside. They're golden brown on the outside, and those pieces of fresh corn that went into the batter give it the sweetest, crunchiest pop and texture and flavor. These are phenomenal. I hope you give my Southern Style Hush Puppy recipe a try. If you do and you enjoy it, head to the website, leave a review, or tag me on social media so I can cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. We'll see you next time. Those are perfect.